Okay, quick video on the Axyz 4008 ATC. Just had a new control. It's all working beautifully. Just testing, did a test board. So there's a V-carve of our Dragon. We always cut that one on every machine. I've got a test board. I've done cabinet fittings. Right, so these are done with an 8mm. And these are done with a drill. So we've done some with a drill. There with the drill, and these are with an 8mm tool. Alright, so these were done as a pocket. If you look at the cap, there's a recess for the cap, perfectly flush and perfectly shaped, no gap around the outside, no misshapes. Alright, obviously the same with the drill because all the caps were done at the same time, so all directions. Okay, and I will actually push this in so you can see that it fits. Oh, I'll tap that in a second. You can see, just pushing it down with my hand, perfect fit. Okay, also we always cut out circles and squares, and they should fit in any direction if everything's right. Whether I can pull this out with my fingers, I don't know. I might have to pop it out from underneath. These are tight. Bear with me. Oh, one's on the floor. This one's pulled out. Okay, pick them up off the floor. Okay, so a circle which was cut out of here. Alright, so that should go in and fit in any direction. So if I turn it around, it should still fit, which it does. Oh, I got stuck again. There's only a 0.2 clearance on this one. As you can see, it fits there. If we look around it, there's no gaps. It's a perfectly tight fit into the hole. Obviously, it's slightly up there. So, okay, so perfect fit. We'll do the same with the square. I'll tell which one way up this was. Okay, so there's a square in. If we rotate the square, which if it goes in now, it proves it's all 90-degree square. And it is. Okay, as you can see, no gaps on the outside edge. So that's actually fit in perfect. Remember, that's only a 0.2mm clearance between this piece and this piece. So there's our test board, cabinet and circle and square all fit in nicely. They were cut at 4 meters a minute. The perimeter was cut at 10 meters a minute. One pass right the way through. Nice clean finish. Okay, perfectly clean finish on the edge. 10 meters a minute. Thanks for watching.